I'm Ben Appleyard. I'm the Operations Director at Hawk Furniture and I'm going to give you a factory tour. Come with me. We have a flatbed laser cutter here. Very capable machine, very fast. We move across then, once the parts have been cut, we end up with little parts like this that form the various components that build the desk. They then get bent on the press brake. So that's an overview of the sheet metal area. So as we move on along the stream of the factory, you can see this is our tube laser. And we take the raw lengths of tube, you can see in the background there, and process them on this machine. As we move away from raw material cutting and forming, we move onto our welding areas. And we have a unique setup here where we have 3 manual welding bays as well as a robot welder. And what that gives us is a lot of flexibility. So straight away we move across into the powder coating area. And what happens here is the track follows round, it goes through the wash plant, which is another upgrade for us. We've gone to a more sustainable approach. The chemicals used are environmentally friendly. We then go through a dry off oven and through to next door, where all our parts get painted. So as you can see in the background here, we've got our curing oven. The coating that we use is a powder coating, so that leaves a really durable finish, and it ends up very consistent, very high quality. We offer quite a wide range of finishes, and that's really one of our strengths at Hawk. So as we leave the powder coating process, we move on to bunging and finishing of the metal parts. And the parts come straight off the track, they get the bungs applied or the feet, and then straight ready for the packing process. So that's another area where we really strive to make it as efficient as we can. So this is where we pack our metalwork, and it's where all the items come together to be married up into a package. We have the fitting station behind us here, where we've gone through a lot of effort to make this really organised, really clear, and all the fittings bags for only that day get made, so we make everything to order. As we saw in the metalwork department, all our processes flow from one end of the factory to the other. And with the woodworking, it all starts with the wood deliveries. So we get our board from a wide range of manufacturers, all sustainably sourced and FSC certified. As an order comes in, it first gets sent to our optimising software, and that divides all the panels up based on the orders for the day. Once that process is done, it gets sent to the saw. And what these saws do is divide up the rough shapes of each part that we need to make. So all our panels still go through a rigorous quality check. You can see down at the far end there, every panel physically has somebody look at it, they run their hands around it, make sure it's to the right standard that we require. We're first in the pedestal area, and the pedestal area is split into 2 sections. We've got the drawer assembly and the carcass assembly. And what we do is we run these on a tight schedule. The drawers that are made are finished just before the carcasses that are going to be built, where all the parts are assembled and the drawers and the carcasses are married up, ready to be packed. We then have the various assembly stations. We like to build everything up first that is bespoke, just to double check everything fits together really nicely and it's up to our standards. So as you can see here, we have the seating and fabric development area, the sewing machines and everything around here that they need to develop. It will go into a holding area first, and on the delivery day it will go into lines ready to be loaded onto the wagons. So that is a tour of Hawk Furniture. Thank you very much.